Hi folks, welcome back to Covid Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to butterfly fresh sardines. This technique you can use for butterfly herrings or baby mackerel as well. So first, make sure you wash your fish and then descale them. You can use knife or I'm using scissors, just like this one. Just keep them clean. So make sure all the scales gone. And then you start cutting off all the fins of the fish. After that, you make an incision on the stomach side and cut it through to the head. And then get all the intestine out by using hand. If you doesn't like it, maybe you can use gloves instead. Make sure all the intestine coming out, and then put the fish aside and do the same for the rest of the sardines. Just like this. And then from the stomach, leftover incision, just cut through to the tail section. Cut the heads, but keep the bone intact. Slowly press the backbone of the fish like this, firmly but not too hard, and then turn it over. Voila! The bones will be separated from the flesh, and then cut the bone on the tail side. Now you can pull the bones off the flesh, just like that. In the end, cut them off just behind the head. Here you are, half one fillet of sardine. Another technique is just to cut straight away the head off. And then you press the back of the bones, just like this, similar like earlier, and then turn it over and pull the bones out from the flesh, just like this. It's very simple. Here we are, just like that. In the bowl, we make the marinade. A little bit of olive oil, probably about 2 tablespoons olive oil, a bit of black pepper, salt, and chopped garlic. Squeeze of lime juice. Give a good mix. Just like this. And then prepare the fish and add the marinade on the flesh side. And you can leave this for probably about 10 minutes. So I don't want to leave it for too long, otherwise the flesh will be cooked because of the acidity from the lime. Get the pan ready, Teflon, add a little bit of cooking oil, or you can use olive oil. I'm using olive oil here. Make sure the heat is medium, and then with the skin side down, fry them off. It's only take about 2 minutes until the fish totally cooked. You can see it's nicely sizzling. And then after about a minute or so, turn the fish over, just like that, and cook for 30 minutes. You can cook it a bit longer, probably about 3 minutes in total, but I like it about 2 minutes because I don't want the fish getting too dry. There we are, just like that. Yeah, press down the tails end, and then get your thick cut breads ready. Rub it with garlic. If you like to toast like me, lightly toast your bread and rub it garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil as well. And then just place your sardines on top of the bread. You can arrange how you like it. It's up to you. Just like this. Very simple, very tasty lunch. Then it's all already arranged in there. Get your salad ready, whatever salad you like. And add your choice of dressing. Here I'm just using French dressing. Very simple. And then place it on the top of the fish, just like this. Very, very simple, but very, very nice lunch. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Pan-fried sardine on top of the garlic bread with salad ready. Thank you for watching.